A quick update on XCN, down almost 5% on the week here. So what is this thing doing right now? So we had that breakout from our pattern here, and we're coming back down. If we draw from the low to the high, you can see this candle right now is sitting on the final 786 support. So maybe we're setting up for this being the bottom at 17.9 here, and this being a potential, double bottom with a higher low here, holding this bottom trend, and then we move up. So 17.9 right now, you are sitting on support. We did break our white line support. We're just going to get that off of the chart. But any lower than that, then of course we're coming down to the much larger fib here, low to the high 382 at 16. So if you do end up dropping, if you're still in XCN, I would imagine you're buying the dips here. So another 8% drop to that 16 level. If it does not hold that 786, and we move up, and then we get back over 2 pennies. If this thing gets back over 2 pennies and starts moving up, then we may have something, like I said, like that double bottom, and we would be in a good position at that point. And then once we get over 2.2 here, the macro 618, and then break through this red box up to about 2.4, then this thing's going to end up going to the upside here. So if that 786 support holds there where we're at, let's just go ahead and get this one off and get a new one so we can just quickly see this before it gets too long. But we are still looking for that 786 retracement, and then all the way up possibly to the next big volume area on the macro chart, being 8 to 10 cents here. So if it holds and we get a move up, maybe the next stop is that 5.5 cent range, and 3x from here, 200% move, so not bad. And then if we just end up moving all the way up to that volume range, you can see a 360% move up to a 460% move. So about a 5.5x up to that next big area was what we're watching. But right now it's really not doing anything. It's been just kind of just slowly going and going up and sideways. So we'll see how it plays out. The one thing concerning is if we zoom out, the double top here with that lower high. So we really got to break through this box here and get this thing moving, or we're going to look at these lower prices at some point in the near future. So what are your thoughts on XCN? Are you still buying in? Are you still holding? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.